Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can use Hubstaff. So let's begin the video. Here first we are on the dashboard and you can see this map on the dashboard. You can enable the map and here you can see your active members and active jobs. And here you can also see your weekly activity, your work this week, and you can see the time that you have spent this year, and you can see here the project that you are working on. And if we scroll bottom, now here you can see this recent activity where you can see all your activity, your time tracking activity here. Similarly, here you can also see your members and your to-dos and your projects. And here if you want to invite a friend, simply click on these three dots and then on invite members. From here you can invite, you can manage, and you can remove. And here you can also manage your interactions and you can also remove the to-do from here. And here you can see this manage widget. You can see here the map and you can see here the small widget where you have this member worked, spent today, today's activity, weekly work. You can see here enlarge app and URLs, and you can see here amount owned, low activities, and all these things. You can select from these like what you want to display on your dashboard. You can manage your dashboard appearance from here. Next, here you have this timesheet. Here you can see your daily and your weekly progress, the time that you have spent it here. Next, here you have this activity where you can see the screenshots. Here you will see all the screenshots that they have taken during the time tracking. And similarly, here you can also see the app activity, how much time you have spent it on each app. You can track that as well here. They say that this is the easiest way to make sure that if your team members stay on their track doing their goals or not. And here you have this UR activity, and this is also the easiest way to make sure your team members stays on their tracks. And here you have this insert where you can see the highlights. And here you can also see the performance and the unusual activity. Here you will see the unusual activity, like if they are not working properly and if they miss a guide from their track, you will see that here. And here you can also see the map. This map will show the location of team member using the mobile app along with their route and job site. You will see that. And here you also have these job sites. With the help of this job site, you can see that where your team member is and how long they have been on this site. Here in the project management, you can see the projects and the to-do and the clients. Here in the projects, you can see the project that we have added before. You can see here, and similarly if you can click on add project and you can add a project here, and similarly you can also import the projects here. Now let's go and open the to-dos here. Here in the to-dos you can also see the to-do and integrations. For any project, add simple to-dos. You can track time toward or assign to any team members here. Here you have add integration where you can select the Hubstaff or Trello. You can select from here. Now when you will go to the list, here you can see your to-dos, and here you can see the one that we have created before, and you can see here add a to-do. From here you can add one here, and you can also duplicate the project if you want to. Here in the calendar you can see the schedule and the time of requests. Here you also have time and activity, daily totals, and amount owned, payments, and all reports. And in the last you have this member and team. In teams you can see your teams, and in members you can see all your team members, and you can track their progress, how they are doing. Here you can see that. Here simply click on I got it, and now here you can see name, members, and project. You can add a team simply by clicking on add team here. You can invite members here easily, as I showed you in the start of the video how you can invite members. You can invite the members and you can create a team here. Now let's talk about the subscription plans. Here if you want to buy this subscription, you can see here these plans. Here you have the starter, grow, team, and enterprise plan. They also give you 14-day free trial. The starter plan starts from $5 per month, and grow plan starts from $8 per month, and team from $10 per month. And there is no fixed price for enterprise. You can discuss that with your team members and you can finalize one price. And that was basically all about how you can use this Hubstaff. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.